Hello. Um, to make some objects like an airfoil, a wing, or yeah, such like objects on the photo, I go to the Nomad app. I add a plane. Always add a plane. Um, Top view. I can validate it. Um, I subdivide it. Okay. View, orthographic view, and selection mask. Um, for for this kind of objects, we can use, for example, reference images. Um, I, um, with a reference image, we can adjust the overlay to see it through the plane, to trace it. Okay. And we can position it. I'm I draw the flat bottomed. Okay. Now selection mask is on, symmetry is off. We can use a polygon, make a dot, another, and now we can add points, and we can, when the point is black, it's a straight line. When the point is white, it's a curved line. Okay. Okay, here in this case we can switch to a black point. Here we can add one more. I think it's okay. Green. Then it's applied. We can hide the reference picture. We can change the view a little bit. And now we're hold the mask button and invert the mask. And now we can go to the gizmo tool. In the gizmo tool, make always sure that you're on the vertex settings, setting a transformation operation, vertex. And now you can bring the shape up, and in the top view, now you can change the scale of the profile. You can make it on thinner on the ends, and you can bring it here over, and you can make it like this. And we're in orthographic view. We can switch to the perspective view. Okay. And now we can bring it in position. Okay. I think it's nice. Change to the front view, orthographic view, and clear the mask, and go to the trim tool, rectangle, and you can trim the plane off. Now you've got a wing. Okay. That's it. I go a few steps back. Bring it up, and you can scale it. And you can, in the video before I showed that there's also a rotation possible. You can change it to 1 degree, and now you can bring a little bit of twist in the wing. Okay. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.